The 1970 Meyers Manx SR was the road-going evolution of Bruce Meyers' iconic dune buggy, the Meyers Manx. Developed by Bruce Franklin Meyers and Company in California, the SR, street roadster, represented an ambitious attempt to bring the carefree spirit of the beach buggy to the open road. While the original Manx had conquered sand dunes and desert races, the SR was designed as a lightweight, fiberglass-bodied sports car for everyday driving. The concept remained faithful to Meyers' philosophy: simplicity, accessibility, and fun. The SR used a shortened Volkswagen Beetle chassis, retaining the Beetle's rear-mounted, air-cooled engine and independent suspension. Its body was made of 13 molded fiberglass panels, assembled into a sleek, wedge-shaped form that reflected futuristic 1970s design trends. The car featured front-hinged scissor doors 4 years before the Lamborghini Countach introduced a similar concept. Designer Stuart Reed, a young graduate from the Art Center College of Design, collaborated with Meyers to create the SR's distinctive look. Weighing around 1,500 pounds, the Manx SR offered decent performance even with the Beetle's stock 40-horsepower engine. Enthusiasts often upgraded to more powerful setups, with some fitting 80-horsepower Volkswagen engines or even Chevrolet Corvair flat-6 units, allowing top speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. A removable Targa roof and side screens improved weather protection compared to the open dune buggy, making the SR more practical for street use. The Meyers Manx SR debuted in 1970 and gained immediate attention, including a Car and Driver magazine cover story that praised its design and driving dynamics, even comparing it favorably to the new Porsche 914. Despite the acclaim, the SR never reached significant sales success. Only about 200 to 206 units were produced before Bruce Franklin Meyers and Company closed in 1971 due to financial struggles and widespread copying of the original Manx design after Meyers' patent was invalidated. Today, surviving Manx SRs are rare collector's pieces, often restored by dedicated enthusiasts. Their unique styling, lightweight construction, and connection to one of America's most influential car designers make them a fascinating chapter in automotive history. Remarkably, Meyers Manx Incorporated has since been revived, offering new Manx kits that carry forward Bruce Meyers' vision of simple, joyful, and enduring automotive design.